Did you know that using the wrong portable air conditioner could be costing you extra money while barely keeping you cool? If you've ever struggled with a weak, inefficient AC that fails to beat the summer heat, you're not alone. Today, I'm revealing the best dual-hose portable air conditioners that cool your space faster, save energy, and make those unbearable hot days a thing of the past. Stick around to find out which one is perfect for you, and if you like what you see, check the links in the description to grab yours. The number 5 product on our list is Equator Portable Air Conditioner. Did you know that the right air conditioner can make a massive difference in cooling efficiency and air quality? If you're tired of weak, sluggish cooling that barely keeps up with the heat, it's time to upgrade. The Equator Portable Air Conditioner Pack 122 is a powerful dual-hose portable air conditioner designed for faster cooling, better air circulation, and improved energy efficiency. With a built-in HEPA filter, it ensures clean air while cooling your space efficiently, and the LED display, 3-speed fan, and remote control make it super convenient to use. Unlike single-hose ACs that struggle with hot air recycling, its dual-hose system pulls in fresh air while expelling warm air efficiently, giving you faster cooling with less energy waste. Plus, features like a 24-hour timer, sleep mode, auto swing, and thermal overload protection ensure continuous comfort. While some users find the water drainage system a bit tricky, the auto evaporation feature reduces the hassle, making it a top contender for the best dual-hose portable air conditioner. If you're looking for high-performance cooling with air purification, this unit is a great choice. Check the links in the description to grab yours. At number 4 is Whynter ARC-1230WN Portable Air Conditioner. Did you know that Forbes named a Whynter ARC-1230WN as 2024's best portable air conditioner? If you're struggling with a hot, humid space, this dual-hose portable air conditioner is a true lifesaver. Designed to cool rooms up to 600 Sacria FT, it offers 20% stronger cooling and 40% better efficiency thanks to advanced inverter technology. The smart features are impressive. Control it remotely via Wi-Fi or use Alexa and Google Home voice assistants. Its innovative hose-in, hose design ensures no heat leakage, rapidly cooling your room while reducing energy use. The built-in dehumidifier removes up to 87 pints of moisture daily, perfect for humid areas. However, it's a bit heavy, though caster wheels make moving easy. Some users also mention wishing it had a heating feature. Overall, if you value powerful cooling, smart connectivity, and energy savings, it's easily one of the best dual-hose portable air conditioners out there. Check the links in the description. The third one on our list is Whynter ARC-148MS Portable Air Conditioner. Imagine staying comfortably cool all summer with an air conditioner that's both powerful and quiet. The Whynter ARC-148MS Portable Air Conditioner is truly among the best dual-hose portable air conditioners available today. Delivering 14,000 BTU of cooling power, it rapidly cools rooms up to 500 square feet, yet maintains a quiet operation at just 53 dBA. Perfect for peaceful nights. Its advanced dual-hose design efficiently cools spaces while minimizing energy consumption. Plus, you'll love the activated carbon filter and washable pre-filter, which ensure the air stays fresh and clean. Its multifunctional modes, cool, fan, dehumidify, auto, provide tailored comfort for any condition. Some users find the unit slightly heavy to move around, but thanks to the sturdy caster wheels, it's manageable. If you're seeking strong cooling, better air quality, and impressive efficiency, this Whynter Portable AC might just be your ideal pick. On number 2 is SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner. Imagine an air conditioner that's sleek, portable, and powerful enough to keep your room comfortably cool, even on scorching days. The SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner is making waves as an alternative to some of the best dual-hose portable air conditioners out there. With a lightweight, compact design, it's incredibly handy and easy to move around your home. Covering up to 550 SQFT, this portable AC delivers a solid cooling performance, 12,000 BTU, quickly transforming your space into a refreshing haven. It features a built-in dehumidifier, significantly cutting down moisture levels and improving overall comfort. The intuitive digital touch controls and remote make adjustments effortless, perfect for relaxed evenings. However, it's worth noting that its single-hose design might not cool as efficiently as dual-hose models in extreme heat. Overall, if portability, convenience, and reliable cooling for mid-sized rooms matter most to you, SereneLife is an attractive option. Now moving to the last one is Whynter ARC-14MS Portable Air Conditioner. Did you know a portable air conditioner can keep your room cool even at 100 degrees outside? The Whynter ARC-14MS Portable Air Conditioner is easily among the best dual-hose portable air conditioners, delivering exceptional 14,000 BTU cooling power, that quickly cools rooms up to 500 SQ/FT. Impressively quiet at just 51 dBA, it's perfect for bedrooms or home offices. Its dual-hose design maximizes cooling efficiency, eliminating hot air leakage common in single-hose units. Plus, the built-in auto-evaporation dehumidifier keeps humidity in check effortlessly. With 3 operational modes, cool, fan, dehumidify, and adjustable temperature controls, 61 dehumidify and 89 dehumidify, it's flexible and user-friendly. But let's be real, it's slightly bulky and setup can be challenging for some users due to the large exhaust hoses. Still, its caster wheels help significantly with mobility. If you're looking for powerful cooling, quiet operation, and energy efficiency in extreme heat, the Whynter ARC-14MS is your best bet. After reviewing the best dual-hose portable air conditioners, my top pick is the Whynter ARC-14MS portable air conditioner. Its powerful cooling capability, quiet operation, and highly efficient dual-hose design make it the ideal choice for quickly cooling large rooms, saving energy, and reducing humidity. It's definitely worth considering for reliable summer comfort. So guys, this was the video about the best dual-hose portable air conditioner. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you!